All-Star Sports Resort. We are in the Hoops Hotel, and the cool thing is, before we go in, there you can unlock the door with your phone on the Disney app. All you do is go to the Disney app, put it against this thing, and it'll open the door automatically. Let's head in. As soon as we come in, you can see over here, there is a nice table with cabinets. There is a nice fridge down here, in case you need some cooling. You have a coffee maker. You can store ice in there sometimes if you want to go down to the ice machine, stuff like that. And then you also got another top thing to put stuff like that. Next you got over here a lot of more cabinet space. There's around 5 cabinets, some drawers, stuff like that. And in here you got your own safe in case you want to store anything, and then you got some more space to put stuff. You've got this nice TV that is really cool and big. And then if you come over here, you want to watch TV in your bed, lay down. This is a queen size bed to lay in. If you have 2 people, maybe 2 people can fit. And then also over here, you've got this nice table that also transforms into a bed. This bed, I don't know how big it is, but the bed works and it'll probably sleep around 2 people at least. You got some more space over here if you want any more space. Then you got over here a nice bedside table. One cool thing about this resort is there is multiple plug areas. There's 2 almost everywhere. If you need like a lot of plug space, there is a lot over here under the TV if you need some. If you come over here, you can put your jackets, coats, hang them up over here. If you need 2 purses, stuff like that. Then you come in here, there's a bathroom. You can close this for privacy if you need to. And then there is some nice place where you can hang your clothes and stuff like that. There's also some more space up here to put some stuff in case you need some more like space. There is an iron and stuff to iron with. You got this nice sink that is a bowl. There's also a tissue box if you need it. There is a hair curler and some more closet space if you need to. If you come in here, this is the toilet and the shower. If you need some more privacy, again, you can close this and get some privacy while someone else is brushing their teeth, washing their hands, stuff like that. This resort is what they call a value resort, which is good for people on a budget. And it's nice for me. It's like a motel and stuff like that, so you can just walk outside. Disney has 3 all-star resorts. They have movies, they have music, and they have all-star sports. Our resort is sports, which we're in the basketball section. There's also like football section and some other sports sections all over this place. So that is it for this room tour. Thank you for coming with me and have a good day.